Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching. So today's video is going to be a quick summertime power hour clean with me. I've literally been running around all day today and I'm exhausted at this point, but I know I need to get at least a little bit of cleaning done around my home. I have a list of things that I want to get done in this video. I don't even know if I'm going to get everything done, but if I could at least get most of this on my list, I will be happy and I can relax for the rest of the day. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it. The first thing on my list was to get a load of laundry in, and I really needed to wash my sheets. So you see me just switching those things out. And then I also wanted to wash my curtains along with the chair cover that you see in the corner. So I figured that it would be best to have all of this stuff washing while I tackled the rest of my to-do list. You would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Just watch me breaking. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. Earlier in the day when I was running around, I headed over to Home Goods and I was actually looking for a container to hold my eggs in the fridge. But of course I had to walk around the whole entire store, and I'm so thankful that I did because I found these amazing, beautiful pink pillows that were only $16 a piece, which is such a steal. I've been looking for decorative pillows for my bed for the longest time, so I'm so happy that I finally found something that I like. Let me know what you guys think down below. Do not mind the appearance of this chair when I take the cover off. It was a DIY that went wrong. I was in way over my head, so thank God for chair covers. Riley is getting over a cold, so I definitely wanted to change out her sheets because I really didn't want the germs to continue to keep spreading and keep her sick. Because anybody knows with a kid, their colds tend to last the longest time. So I'm trying to nip this in the bud and get her feeling back to her normal self. Also, Nick took her out swimming to my in-laws, so this was the perfect opportunity for me to tackle this drawer that I have in her room. Now, she only has one drawer of clothes and the rest of the stuff is mine because it doesn't fit in the closet. And I have been delaying going through everything, decluttering, refolding everything for the longest. So this was the perfect opportunity for me to get this done.
falling, I'm falling.
I'm not gonna lie, it's definitely hard going through all of my clothes and seeing what I should throw away. There are definitely items that I may not wear as often, but I tell myself once I lose weight, I'll definitely be able to fit into this again. And I know that is such the wrong thing to do, but I almost can't help myself.
I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dancing. I'm taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. I missed you. Give me that kiss now. I just wanna hold you close to me. I really like you. Do you like me? Don't you wanna see what this could be? I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dancing. I'm taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak.
Once I was finished upstairs, I went in with a carpet deodorizer for all of the rugs along with the carpet on the stairs. Since purchasing the new rugs and getting the stairs redone, we really haven't deep cleaned them just yet. So I definitely wanted to get them smelling nice and fresh and clean. I let that sit for a little while before going in and vacuuming each rug. I ended up running out before I can really hit Riley's room, but the cat doesn't really go in there, so I didn't have to worry about it too much.
What happened to us? What happened to all the love we always took for granted? Are we stranded? Is it too late? Is it too late to color feelings that have faded? Complicated.